Good evening. Get ready for another blast of winter this weekend. The weather watcher is green, which means that snow is on the way. And Chris Schaefer joins us now. And it looks like we're going to have to pull out the shovels, Chris.
It's time. Gas up the snowblower, whatever your technique is. Yeah, we've got some light snow that's been falling, certainly downtown Minneapolis here. This is much like the stuff we've had the past couple of days. Put a little coating on the sidewalk. I just looked outside. But this is not the main enchilada. That does not arrive until tomorrow night. And traveling specifically down in southern Minnesota, at least, will be a little difficult tomorrow night into Sunday. A winter weather advisory in effect down across southern Minnesota. Now, we'll have some issues here in the Twin Cities as well. We'll talk about how much snow we can expect. And it's the other shoe dropping, Amelia.
Yes,
just
it is.
how cold it's going to get next week.
All right. Thank you, Chris. We've seen a little bit. Well, the snow might throw a wrench into your weekend plans, but it is exactly what some people have been waiting for all season. Plow truck drivers, especially the private contractors, need the business. As you can imagine, the winter season we've had so far has not been too kind to them. WCCO's Jeff Wagner shows us how they're preparing for their first solid work day across the Twin Cities.
It's the little things
Nothing like some fresh bolts that aren't broken and rusty.
that give Peter Doran a reason to smile, such as a little bit more snow for once this season.
There's that. We haven't had to do too much. We've gone out twice so far. The last time, by the time we started, it was halfway melted.
Chilly temperatures won't allow that to happen this time around.
Nice new orange.
That's why he and his crew are tightening up loose ends as they prepare for a busy weekend.
We've had a bunch of people call today making sure their services were on or requesting quotes for new service.
Doran says his customers pay by the season, so even if his trucks stay parked, he gets paid.
Yeah, I mean, I'm hoping for snow, obviously.
That's not the case for Tyler Blair's company.
With some lousy winters that we've had in the last, 2-3 years, everybody has pretty much gone to a per push contract.
That makes tomorrow payday as his trucks push their way through several parking lots.
Typically, I have a shoveler in the truck, too.
While Doran's plows weave up and down neighborhood streets.
Enjoy the snow and make some snowmen. And
Somebody has to. These guys will be too busy working.
It's white gold, so we'll take it.
And as Doran mentioned, the snow would melt the last time he went out to plow it. I can promise you it is cold enough right now where that will not be the case tomorrow. Parking lots with this one will have accumulation, so not only will they be having their hands full, drivers behind the wheel need to take it slow when they get on the roads.
Yes. All right. Thank you, Jeff. Despite the cold, Hennepin County deputies are warning people to stay off the ice. Yesterday, the Eagan Fire Department had to rescue 2 dogs that had fallen through the ice on East Thomas Lake. The Water Patrol says that the ice thickness varies on lakes, and snow on the ice actually makes it look thicker than it really is. Stay with WCCO 4 News this weekend for continuing coverage of this winter storm.